Throughout history, humanity has pushed the boundaries of architecture and construction, erecting towering structures that defy imagination and leave us in awe. From awe-inspiring skyscrapers piercing the clouds to colossal infrastructure projects reshaping entire cities, these megaprojects come with a price tag that will leave you astounded. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the ambitious endeavors that demand tremendous resources, intricate planning, and unparalleled innovation. From iconic landmarks that have become symbols of human achievement to groundbreaking transportation systems that revolutionize the way we move, each project on our list tells a remarkable story of vision, determination, and unwavering dedication. Number 5. Suez Canal. The original Suez Canal, completed in 1869, is a remarkable waterway that serves as the shortest maritime route connecting Europe to the Indian and Western Pacific Oceans. Stretching across an impressive 193 kilometers, this canal has played a crucial role in international trade for over a century. Its significance was clearly demonstrated when a 6-day blockade earlier this year caused a staggering trade loss exceeding $50 billion worldwide. Despite its immense importance, the original Suez Canal faced a limitation. It mainly accommodated just a single shopping lane, allowing an average of only 49 cargo vessels to pass through each day. Recognizing the need for expansion, Egypt embarked on an ambitious project in 2014 to construct a second shipping lane running parallel to the existing canal. This new addition not only extended the waterway by 35 kilometers, but also deepened it, enabling larger vessels to navigate more comfortably. The completion of this massive upgrade, amounting to a hefty investment of $9.2 billion, brought about significant improvements. With the two-way traffic system now in place, transiting ships experience reduced waiting times, boosting efficiency and facilitating smoother operations. As a result, it is projected that by 2023, the number of cargo vessels passing through the Suez Canal will increase to an impressive 97. This expansion not only enhances the canal's capacity, but also promises substantial economic benefits. In 2023 alone, the Suez Canal is expected to generate revenue exceeding $12 billion, a substantial increase compared to the approximately $5 billion it generated back in 2014. While the construction of the new Suez Canal ranks among the most expensive projects in history, the anticipated returns indicate that it will ultimately prove worthwhile, gradually recouping the substantial investment made. Number 4. Channel Tunnel. When we talk about expensive transit projects at sea, it's impossible not to mention the Channel Tunnel. This incredible tunnel links England and France by passing through the English Channel, spanning a distance of over 50 kilometers. It's actually the longest undersea tunnel in the world, accommodating high-speed railways and serving as a symbol of engineering excellence. The idea of connecting France and Britain with an undersea tunnel can be traced back to the early 1800s. However, due to various technological and political challenges, it took almost 200 years for this ambitious project to become a reality. The drilling began on the British side in 1987, followed by construction on the French side a year later. One of the most difficult tasks was ensuring that the two sections would meet accurately. To achieve this, special lasers and advanced surveying equipment were employed. Finally, on December 1, 1990, the two sides were successfully connected, marking a historic moment and establishing the first physical link between Britain and France. The entire project was completed 6 years after it started, with a staggering cost of $12 billion. Such an impressive feat of civil engineering rightfully earned the Channel Tunnel a place among the 7 wonders of the modern world. However, despite its undeniable achievements, the Channel Tunnel remains a costly endeavor. Interestingly, there is another tunnel project on the continent that ended up surpassing even the Channel Tunnel in terms of cost. Number 3. Big Dig. Back in 1987, they gave the green light to a project that aimed to deal with the terrible congestion problem caused by the outdated Central Artery Road. This road was no match for the number of vehicles it had to handle. With a capacity of just 75,000 vehicles per day, it was swamped up with more than double that amount, resulting in mind-numbing delays of up to 10 hours. They needed a solution, and they came up with an audacious plan, an 8-lane underground highway stretching up to 6 kilometers beneath the heart of Boston. They kicked off the project known as the Big Dig in 1991 with hopes of wrapping it up within a reasonable 7-year timeframe. But as is often the case with these massive undertakings, things didn't go according to plan. Environmental concerns about the nearby Boston Harbor caused delays in getting the necessary permits. It wasn't until 1994 that they finally got the green light. All these unexpected challenges caused the estimated cost of the project to skyrocket to a staggering $2.8 billion. and it faced a 9-year delay before finally wrapping up in 2007. According to the Boston Globe, the total cost, including interest, was projected to reach a mind-boggling $22 billion, with the debt not expected to be paid full off until 2038. Despite the completion of the Big Dig significantly improving traffic flow and allowing more than 250,000 vehicles to pass through each day, some critics argue that it simply moved the traffic problems to other parts of the city. Number 2. Kansai International Airport. Now let's take a break from tunnels and embark on a journey to Japan's Kansai region, where we'll discover the fascinating world of the first ever airport built on an artificial island. Kansai International Airport is a bustling hub in Asia, benefiting from its isolated location, allowing it to operate 24/7. But when they gave the green light for this offshore airport, the construction site itself didn't exist. So, their first task was to create an artificial island that could support a top-notch airport. In 1987, they set out on the ambitious endeavor of constructing this man-made island in the future airport. To achieve this extraordinary feat, they crushed 3 mountains and transformed them into thousands of heavy sandpipes. These sandpipes were then laid on the water's surface, forming a 30-meter layer of earth. A colossal artificial island is stretching a whopping 4.5 kilometers long and 2.5 kilometers wide. By 1990, they had completed this impressive engineering marvel. 4 years later, after some essential modifications, repairs, and the addition of a second runway, the airport was ready to take flight. However, the total costs had skyrocketed to a substantial $24 billion. But despite the hefty price tag, Kansai International Airport became an instant sensation due to its amazing location and groundbreaking engineering. In 2019, over 28 million passengers passed through its gates, securing its position as the 3rd busiest airport in Japan, trailing behind Tokyo Airport and Narita International Airport. Yet, it still has a way to go to catch up with Beijing's Capital International Airport, which welcomed over 100 million passengers during the same year. As a result, expansion plans are already in motion. By 2025, the airport aims to accommodate a staggering 40 million international passengers annually. Number 1. Beijing-Shanghai Railway. The high-speed railway project is truly impressive. It managed to drastically reduce travel time and was completed in just 3 years. Covering a distance of 1,320 kilometers, this railway came with a hefty price tag of around $40 billion and was open to the public in 2011. What's even more astonishing is that, within its first decade of operation, it served over 1.3 billion people daily. Imagine this: 41 bullet trains departing from Beijing and zooming southward to Jinan, passing through Nanjing and finally arriving in Shanghai in about 5 hours. Previously, making this journey would take you a daunting 12 to 14 hours. The time savings are remarkable. In 2019 alone, the railway transported a staggering 210 million passengers, with the daily number of riders peaking at 798,000. Despite the project utilizing a significant amount of taxpayer money, it turned out to be a resounding success. While many high-speed trains in China operate at a loss, the Beijing to Shanghai high-speed railway managed to exceed expectations. In 2015, it generated nearly $1 billion in revenue, and its net profits consistently increased by 40% each year until 2019. Such triumph caught the attention of the Shanghai Stock Exchange in January 2020, when the railway debuted after one of the largest initial public offerings, IPOs, in Chinese history. On its first day, the company raised around $4.5 billion by selling over 6 billion shares. This project stands as the most expensive transit megaproject ever, yet it remained profitable even during the pandemic. It's no wonder that the Beijing to Shanghai high-speed railway is considered the most lucrative railroad line globally. Its success is truly remarkable. Have you had the chance to experience the wonders of these costly but captivating developments firsthand? Let us know your thoughts on these projects in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.